All right, YouTube. This video here, we're gonna get into why it's not good to put automotive clear coat over plastic dip. Yeah, it looks good. It'll look good to you. But I'm gonna tell you why I don't think you should do it and why I know you shouldn't. Stay tuned. All right, so welcome back, y'all. So let's go over what we got going on. On this vehicle, we have looks like a Mardi Gras. I think it's Mardi Gras over maybe a teal base. Now, you see the gloss on there? You see that gloss effect? It's not sticky. It's hard, just like a regular automotive finish. Now, this is plastic dip. With plastic dip, you'll never get this type finish from a glossifier finish. The glossifier gallon will not give you this feel, nor will it give you that look. Maybe for a few weeks, but it won't feel this way. Now, this is the issue. Plasti dip is designed for either dip pearl top coat or the glossifier. This is regular automotive paint type gloss. You can't mix the two. And the thing about it is, I'm not the one or the type to call out anybody, state their names or anything like that. They're shocked. I don't do that. That's not what I do, because everyone starts at the beginner level. Everyone has to start to that point to where if they didn't do the proper research, they'll know what to do and what not to do down the line. It's all about the progress, man, and the process that you learn things. But in this case right here, this person here probably put this gloss on and they never had to take it off. It looks good to you when you put it on. I mean, I'll admit, it looks damn good with that gloss. It'll make you want to just say, hey, I'm gonna put gloss on every plastic dip. But the instructions don't state that you can do that. Now, here's the issue though. The reason why I don't suggest it, and the reason why I know that it's not permitted. You're gonna catch hell taking this stuff off. I mean, I'm talking about hell. This right here, when you got automotive clear coat, it'll flake off. If it's compatible, it'll come off with the wrap. But when I take it off, it's flaking off. It shouldn't do that. It should all stay together. And you see the spread that is chipping off. It shouldn't do that. It should all come off together. So taking this off, if you don't have the proper layers, this is all you're gonna get. It's just gonna keep coming off that way. And the biggest issue, here's the biggest issue. Right up in those edges. Right up in those edges is where the hell starts. Because to remove areas that's hard to get, you will use dip dissolver. Dip dissolver won't work over clear coat because the clear coat is protecting the plastic dip. Dip dissolver won't be able to break that stuff down. And then on top of that, you sprayed rubber areas. This is the weather seal from the door. This is the weather seal, and look what happened. When you come too close with a pressure washer, this is the type of effect that you'll get. This entire weather strip is destroyed. So if they want that to look better, they got to replace it. That's on the customer. They got to replace something that the installer did. This is the type of stuff you want to avoid. And then when it comes down to this dip, they sprayed over the rubber. Now, dip dissolver won't get it off of rubber so easy. Normally you'll cover up the rubber with some small thin tape, or you'll fold it back or either take it off. But that's gonna be where the hell starts. I can remove everything off this vehicle, but you're still gonna have that blue sitting on this rubber seal. Then you got areas like this right here at the top of the vehicle. This area burns the most. The top area of your vehicle is that takes the most heat out of everything on the vehicle. The sides will be a little easier to peel off, but when it comes down to anything that's facing the sun, that's where the hell begins, man. That's why you want to follow instructions and make sure you do everything properly. So this video is for anybody out there who think it's a good idea to mix clear coat and a removable product together. Not just any clear coat, but automotive clear coat, OEM clear coat. You can't do that. Keep in mind, man, follow instructions, pay attention to what you're doing, and know the products that you're working with. So let us finish taking this off. We got to vinyl wrap this joker. And man, we still got a long way to go. Thank y'all for checking out this video. My subscribers, I appreciate y'all. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so and hit that subscribe button. Areas like that, look at that. Yeah, man, let me go, man. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all on the next video.